Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got the Motorola H7 Pro and I'm going to show you how to fix the overheating in this device step by step. If your phone is getting hot during normal use, charging, gaming, or camera use, it's usually caused by workload, background applications, signal issues, or charging behavior, not just a bad battery. First, you need to identify when it overheats. Narrow it down. If only while gaming, it's a performance load issue. While charging, it's the cable, charger, or fast charging heat. While using camera or video, it's processor and sensor load. If background apps or software issue, only on mobile data with signal drain. This actually helps target the real cause. First, restart the phone. It's simple but very effective. Hold the power and volume up buttons. Here, click Restart. Now your phone will restart. Wait 1 or 2 minutes after reboot before using applications. This clears temporary CPU spikes and stack processes. Let's wait. Let's wait. Now the phone is turned on. As I said, wait 1 to 2 minutes after reboot before using apps. Apart from that, close heavy background applications. Too many apps cause constant heat. Swipe up and hold, then tap Clear All. Swipe away everything or games, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or navigation apps. Avoid leaving temporary apps running in the background because this isn't an iPhone. I know iPhones can support that and are designed to do so, but here we've got a Motorola and Android isn't designed for that. Now we need to go to Settings. First check battery heavy apps. In Settings, scroll down to Battery and go to Battery Usage. You'll see the diagram and need to scroll down to App Battery Use. I don't have anything because I haven't used this phone much. If you switch to the last 14 days, you might see a list. Look for apps using unusually high power. If found, go back to the normal menu, open the application section, see all apps, and find that app. For example, Facebook, tap Force Stop or go to Battery Usage and don't allow background use. Also tap Storage and Clear Cache. That should cover the applications. If the issue isn't fixed yet, turn off unnecessary features. Pull down your control panel and disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data, NFC, Dolby Atmos, etc. Weak 5G signal is a major overheating cause, so remember that. Avoid charging while using heavy applications. Charging in gaming or video causes heat spikes. Best practice is to charge with the screen off. Avoid gaming while plugged in and remove thick phone cases during charging. Use the original charger only. Non-certified chargers can cause excess heat, slow charging, and battery stress. Always use the original Motorola charger or a certified fast charger. That should be it. Let me know if it helped you. Goodbye.